Also, NASA, in some politics, NASA to name candidate next month. This has been long awaited, with the National Super Alliance set to name its candidate next month, even as wrangles within the opposition continue. Quad leaders Raila Odinga, Moses Wetangula and Kalonzo Musyoka, and now ANC leader Musalia Mudavadi coming together to form this Super Alliance. But as we've seen so far, not much in terms of structure and a strategy has been laid out when it comes to NASA. But as we speak, according to the Standard, a team of 12 is now working on the structures as well as the selection of a joint opposition presidential candidate who is expected to be unveiled next month. And taking a look at the thoughts of NASA leaders here, Machakos Senator Johnson Muthama said Quad was united and would participate in the poll as one. This, of course, pointing out to previous attempts at alliances by the opposition, which by the time they get to the elections, many of them usually disunited. And Opiyo Wandayi, who is ODM's Director of Political Affairs, says agreeing on the opposition presidential flag bearer remained a strategic issue for the opposition. Of course, they also said that they will not rush to make a decision because of pressure from Jubilee and other quarters. And that they will be doing this on their own. So that's something that we're waiting to take a look at as the opposition unveils their flag bearer.